Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company for another Thursday short video. I'm going to take you around and teach you how to do another side item today. We're going to do some really amazing deviled eggs. So let's get started. So we're going to get this project started with 6 eggs that I have hard boiled and peeled. Then you will split each of those eggs lengthwise, and then you'll remove the yolks from each of those eggs into a small mixing bowl. And then you're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and then about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then we'll add a pinch of salt, maybe 2, a couple of turns of fresh cracked black pepper, and then we're just going to take our fork and we're going to mash this up and mix this all together. And when we have that completely mixed up and your texture looks about like that, we're going to toss it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Okay, so I have stolen one of my wife's piping tips and put our filling in a bag here. And what we're going to do is I'm going to fill a couple of these with the piping tip, just like that, make them look fairly decent. And the next thing I want to do is garnish these lightly with just a little paprika, just a little bit. And then I like to hit mine with a little bit of everything bagel. This just puts a nice little touch here. And then to finish these off, we'll garnish, give it a little green with just a little bit of fresh chive. And there you go, you have some beautiful, tasty deviled eggs for your next barbecue dinner. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.